Hello everyone, hope you are all doing good. Welcome to the Catalyst for UPSC Prelims preparation, where we are discussing the previous year questions of a particular topic called India location. So the previous day's response was quite good. Everyone has liked it. That's amazing. So let's start the lecture 2 of the India location without any wastage of time. So let's see the question which was asked yesterday. So if it is 10 a.m. Indian Standard Time, then what would be the local time at Shillong at 92 degrees east longitude? So this is the question of how do you calculate the local times? How do you calculate the time distance between different latitudes, time distances? So if you see in India, 10 a.m. is the Indian Standard Time. And you all know 10 a.m. Indian Standard Time, it means based on what? The latitude of 82.5 degrees east longitude. Then they're asking about the local time exactly at 92.5 degrees. Technically, it has to be 10 a.m. No, technically, Shillong also time should be 10 a.m. because India has only one Indian Standard Time, right? So, but they're asking the particular local time which can have. So, based on that, if you see it, 92 degrees, calculate the difference. So, I will give you one trick. For any kind of time distances question, first calculate the time difference. The time difference is how much? 9.5 degrees, right? 9.5. So 82 to 92, the difference is 9.5. Right? Now, you see, for every 1 degree change in longitude, how much is the difference we have is 4 minutes. You all know the logic, no? So if you wanted to know the logic for this, 360 degrees to rotate, it will take 24 hours. That is the latitudes of India, latitude of the entire whole world. How many latitudes you have? Sorry, longitudes you have. 360 degrees, longitude, 24 hours. So for 1 minute, for 1 degree, if you calculate that, it will come approximately to 4 minutes. So with that, calculate the time difference. Then calculate the difference, 9.5. 9.5 into 4, how much would be? Say 10 into 4, how much? 40. 9.5, so it would be 9 into 4, 36, somewhere in between 38 minutes. So it is 38 minutes is the difference. Now you see, it is east side and this is Indian Standard Time. This is 82.5 degrees east longitude. Now, where will be the sun rising first? 82.5 or 92.5? Which is more eastern side? 92.5 is more east. When it is more east, they will get sunrise first. Then only this one, right? So automatically what will happen? You need to add or subtract 10 a.m. Who has received sunlight first? Shillong. So technically they are ahead. So 10 a.m. plus. So remember one thing, and anytime it is eastern side, you have to add the things. So when you have to add it, automatically 10 plus 38 minutes, 10:38 a.m. So this is the answer, 10:38 a.m. So remember one thing, for every 1 degree, we have 4 minutes is the difference of longitude. Any kind of time zones calculation, please remember, calculate the time longitudinal difference, multiply that in this way, 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. Then if it is towards east, add. If it is towards west, minus. So with that, add 10 plus 38, 10:38 minutes. So that is the question. Very easy. So next time, whenever you will get the template of time zones questions, please answer this way. What is the probability of getting by so many of the aspirants to be clearing this? Is medium to high, because it is a conceptual question. But the problem is you can do some blunders. Say, if you subtract, say 10 a.m. minus subtraction, it will be 9:22. Then if you forget even the times, you see 9:38. So they are asking you, they are creating some kind of blunders for you. So this would be one possible blunder you can do if you are subtracting it. This is another possible blunder you can do. But the right answer is this. So blunders you have to avoid in the exam. This is one such probability of blunders. Look at the options, right? Moving forward. Now, if you travel by road from Kohiam to Kottayam, what is the minimum number of states within India through which you can travel, including the original destination and the origin and the origin state and the destination state? Now, first of all, if you don't know where is Kohima and Kottayam, God bless you. Kohima is I think you should be knowing Nagaland. Kottayam. Some of you might not know where is Kottayam. It is a very popular tourist destination in Kerala. Nagaland to Kerala. Now, if you are moving from Nagaland to Kerala, how many states you are having? Now, this is an observations you can have. It is 7. How can you know? Say Kerala. From Kerala, you can go to either the Tamil Nadu or Karnataka, either one. Then Andhra Pradesh, then Odisha, West Bengal to Assam, Assam to Nagaland. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So it is an observation. Once again, map observation. So I told you the key thing. In the class, I have explained you n number of times. Every day, 10 minutes at last. Practice, you can get the questions. See, that's what. They are trying to make you the one who are dedicated, who are disciplined enough, where they have practiced 10 minutes at last daily and observed multiple dimensions. They are the ones who are doing really good. Right? That is the thing. The next one, the latitude that passed through Sikkim also passed through Rajasthan. This is also map observation. And most of the questions today are map observations questions. And mostly you'll find that such questions are easily answered by so many of the aspirants, right? Rajasthan. Then, out of the 4 southern states of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, which shares boundary with the maximum number of Indian states? The question is asked in 2007 when there was no Telangana. So, but we cannot get that because Andhra Pradesh has divided into Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So now you got a new state. So we are sharing the boundaries based on this given states by ignoring Telangana. So based on the present status, we will prepare it. We'll answer this question. So Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, which share boundaries with the maximum number of Indian states. So you'll see Andhra Pradesh. What are the boundaries? Calculate. If you see the boundaries of Andhra Pradesh, let us see the map. This is Andhra Pradesh. The boundaries are Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana. You can see here Chhattisgarh is also having a border and Odisha. So how many states? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Andhra Pradesh has 5. Karnataka has how many? Kerala, Goa, Maharashtra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Karnataka has 6. Tamil Nadu has 1, 2, 3. Kerala has 1, 2. So automatically it is answer is Karnataka. So answer is B, Karnataka only. Whereas if you talk about 2007 based question, when there was United Andhra Pradesh, then this should be the answer. So we can ignore that now. So we have practiced about this. That is about this question. Okay, practice these kind of things, observe the maps, identify one task for you, identify all the landlocked states of India, landlocked states, identify the ones which doesn't have, there will be some unique states which are having, say for example, name a state which has uniqueness in terms of having a boundary with only one country and also having a boundary with only one state within India. Think, name a state which has one country boundary, one state boundary. If you see the map, you can clearly see it. Meghalaya. See here, boundary only with Assam, boundary only with Bangladesh. Sikkim. We have 3 countries. So such uniqueness. Observe the map, you will come to know. So that's about the learnings for today. We are all understanding the things. Happy learnings for you. From tomorrow or after the new topics, we'll try to accommodate more questions so that your learnings becomes very quick and superior. Thank you for watching. And if you do like this video, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and also ask your friends to join so that automatically there is much kind of more data you are collecting by answering the questions in my Telegram channel. Right? Thank you for watching.